Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do our 10 minutes express arm workout. So this arm workout will be inclusive of 3 different variations of curl along with 3 different variations of push-up. So the combo is we will do 30 seconds of the first variation of the curl, then 30 seconds straight for the push-up, and we'll have 15-second rest, go with the other combo, and total will be have 3 combo, and we'll do 2 rounds for this express workout. So complete with that, we will finish off by a quickly stretch out of our arms. So that's all about. Are you ready? Let's go! Hi guys, so now we start with the curl first. The first curl we're going to do is front curl, and the second curl we're going to do is reverse curl, like that. Right, the first front curl is here. So you use different grip. So front curls, just dumbbell curl. And the third curl we're going to do is hammer curl. Okay, and the first push-up we're going to do is close grip. So we holding you will have your hands press it like diamond, and we do push, close grip. Okay, if you can't do the full push-up, you can knee down and do this variation for the whole workout. And the second one is arms out, arms in. So first we do, hold yourself like a plank, arms out, arm in, down, arms out, down. And the third variation is push up and down. So push your hands, arms, and down, and push up, down, and push up, down, and push-ups. So if you're ready, let's start. So we start with the first curl. Choose the light weights. Don't push yourself too hard from this deadlift. And using your muscle, not the momentum, not moving around your body. Stay still, your core, everything. Okay, down for the first push-up. So close grip, and down. If you can't do the full push-up, knee down and push down, push down. Till you finish off the 30 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Finish off for the first combo, 15-second rest, and we move on to the second curl. Have some water, get some water. Okay. Second curl, reverse curl. In the front, like that. Down. Second push-up. Arms out, arms in. Let's start. Arms in. Boom. down, 15 seconds. Then we move on to the second curl. The third curl, hammer curl. Let's start it. Get the muscle up. Okay. The third variations of the push-up. So we do up and down. Okay. Down, up, down, up. Three, 2, 1. Go. 15 seconds. Move to the other round. Water. Get your dumbbell now. Front curl. Muscle, you can feel the burn. Whew. Done. So, push up, close grip. Okay, done. Four, 3, 2, 1. 15 seconds. Reverse. To arms in, arms out, push up. Okay, remember? Arms in, arms out. Okay, arms out, arms in. For the last set, last combo. So the last one of the curl is hammer curl. Then we're done. Arms, you feel that? The arms are so quick. for the burn. Okay, last combo, start. So move your body underneath the arm and feel your burn. Feel the muscle and it's got tightened. That's how we grow, how the muscle going to contract and tear off. Done. Going down.
Feeling kinda tipsy, didn't drink, so I don't get it. I must be high, but I'm just guessing. It's something in the way you talk. I'll show my hand, let's play it out. Putting my heart up on the table. I really trust my senses. Catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing. You seem to have it all. And loving up for anything emotional too soon. You got my invitation, now the rest is up to you.
Oh, done. Okay, now we complete with the shake off of our arms for 30 seconds of this. Okay, let's start. Imagine you quick, like a running. Run the arms. Let's go stretch. Done. So you can really feel that your arms muscles is really burned an eye. So I'm going to see you tomorrow. Bye.